Welcome to Nerdbox Heroes. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. Let's dig into it. So this is Hydroman. This is a mini bus, and this has been sculpted by the Kucherek brother. This Hydroman mini bus is an extremely limited edition to 483 made worldwide. Its market value goes for $400 US. You'll be lucky if you get it cheaper. This is a very rare Marvel sample of which Bowen Design offered a handful. This particular character will be making an appearance in the new upcoming movie Far From Home, Spider-Man. They haven't said who's going to be playing Morris Bench, but obviously clearly you can see it in the last trailer of the Spider-Man Far From Home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy the fun facts about this particular character. Let's unbox.